Hey everybody. Today I'm going to be talking about boundary value analysis, which is one of the black box testing techniques from chapter 4.4. So the main idea behind boundary value analysis is actually pretty simple. Most software bugs don't happen in the middle of valid inputs. They usually happen at the edges, or what we call the boundaries. In black box testing, we don't look at the code at all. We only look at what the system is supposed to do based on the requirements. So if a program accepts values within a certain range, testers focus on testing the limits of that range instead of testing everything. Let's say, for example, we have an application that accepts numbers from 1 to 10. Instead of testing every number, boundary value analysis tells us to test values like just below the range, like 0, the boundary itself, which is 1, the value just inside, which is 2, then the upper end, like 9, the boundary value 10, and just outside of it, like 11. The reason this works is because developers often make small mistakes when writing conditions, like using the wrong comparison operator or misunderstanding where the range starts or ends. Those tiny mistakes usually only show up right at those transition points. A good real-world example is something like pricing discounts. Imagine a store gives one price for buying up to 10 items and a cheaper price starting at 11 items. The system has to switch logic exactly at that point, and that's where errors are most likely to happen. What's nice about boundary value analysis is that it makes testing efficient. Instead of testing hundreds of inputs, you focus on a small set that has the highest chance of finding bugs. So basically, boundary value analysis helps testers work smarter by concentrating on edge cases where software is most likely to fail. And honestly, that's what I like about boundary value analysis, is that it shows testing isn't about doing more tests. It's about doing the right tests at the right places.